Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to you all. Today we are going to continue with the preposition which we did last time. Last time we did 5 prepositions, but today we are going to do 4 prepositions, okay? Today we are going to do through, over, between, and the next one is beside or next to, okay? So these are the 4 prepositions that we are going to learn today. Hope that you learned what I taught you last time, the 5 prepositions. So today the 4 new prepositions are through, over, between, beside or next to. Okay. The first preposition that we are going to learn today is through. Okay. Through is used when something goes from one side of an opening to the other side. For example, you can see a tube here. Okay. This is a tube. So this is a bowl. So now the bowl is going from one opening and then coming out from the other opening. So we can say the bowl went through the tube. Okay, when something goes from one side of an opening to the other side, we can say through. Okay, the bowl went through the tube. But if the ball is stuck in, we cannot say it went through. We have to say the ball is in the tube. Okay, but if it goes from one side and then comes out from the other side, then we can say the ball went through the tube. Okay, the ball went through the tube. The next preposition that we are going to learn today is over. Okay, over is used when crossing from one side to the other, that is on top of or over. For example, now here is a cabbage. Okay, here is a cabbage and here is a dog. Now the dog jumped over the cabbage. Okay, it went from one side and then it crossed over the cabbage and went to the other side and came to a stop. So it is over. The dog jumped over the cabbage. Okay, the dog jumped over the cabbage. It is not going through. If it is an opening to the other side, then it is through, but now it is going over. The dog jumped over the cabbage. The next preposition that we are going to learn is between. Okay, between we use when there are two things on two sides and one is in the middle. For example, here is a burger and here is a sauce bottle and here is a cookie. Now where is the cookie? The cookie is between the burger and the sauce bottle. Okay, the cookie is between the burger and sauce bottle. So when there are two things on two sides and something is in the middle, we can use between. The cookie is between the burger and the sauce bottle. Okay. Now the last preposition that we are going to use today is beside or next to. Beside and next to is the same, so I have written that beside and next to is when two things are nearby. Now for example, we can say this is a broccoli and this is the carrot. The carrot is beside the broccoli or the carrot is next to broccoli. Now we can say the broccoli is beside the carrot or the broccoli is next to the carrot. Okay. So when two things are nearby, the preposition that we use is beside or next to. Okay. So today we learned 4 prepositions. One is over. The next is through. Next is between, and the last one that we learned was beside or next to. Okay, now I explained. Now if something is over, that is, it has to go from crossing from one side to the other side. The example that I gave was jumping over the cabbage. Okay, the dog jumped over the cabbage. Okay, then for through, the example that I gave was the ball and the tube. The ball is going from one side and coming out from the other side. It is through. The ball went through the tube. Okay, then for between, I gave an example of a sauce bottle and then the burger, and then there is one cookie in the middle, so it is between. Okay, the cookie is between the burger and the sauce bottle. And then for beside, I said when there are two things nearby, like the carrot and the broccoli, we can say the broccoli is beside the carrot or the broccoli is next to the carrot. Okay, hope you understood how to use these 4 prepositions. Now, like last time, I would like you to make 2 sentences for each preposition using a simple drawing. For example, you can draw a tree, and then you can draw a bird. Then you can write the bird flew over the tree. The bird flew over the tree. It is going from one side of the tree and going to the other side. So you can say the bird flew over the tree. So I want you all to make 2 sentences for each of the prepositions that we learned today. One is over, the next is through, the next is between, and the last one is beside or next to. Hope that you have learned something. Thank you.